And this is about to go ahead and hair. So they kind of tried to do that as a and then they had it kind of like fantasy. That's right. So they just closed it last year, and now they're putting it
One builder station, please. Spectators, behind your builders. One builder per station, please. Spectators, behind your builders.
Where's Tim? You're behind the builders.
Just not in that little space.
Okay, not in that little space. So back over here, you guys. Wherever they tell you to stand, stand.
Alright, welcome builders. First of all, I just want to apologize for rushing in here and maybe being a little suspicious out there. You see, the first order arrived about 2 weeks ago now, so we can't be too careful. We need to make sure that you were the ones that we were looking for. But now that we're in here and we're safe, go ahead and take a look around. Welcome to our workshop. Now I know, it doesn't look like much and it's a bit dark, but for us, this is everything and this is our home. But allow me to introduce ourselves. On my left I have Tristan, and on my right I have Carlos. My name is Austin, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now as Gatherers, we travel all across the galaxy, from here to the other side of the Outer Rim, scouring through abandoned outposts, forgotten starships, even war-torn planets, looking for ancient artifacts and relics, and everything we find we bring back here to preserve our past in order to ensure our future, which is all of you. But as you can tell from outside with the First Order, we are in troubled times, and there has been a call for help from General Leia Organa. In the past, legends like Luke Skywalker stepped up and answered that call. You've all heard of him, yes?
Yes.
Good. But now there is a new hero on the verge of becoming legend. Many of you happen to know her name?
Ray.
Ray, yes. Ray is our spark of hope, and she has answered that call too. And I believe all of you did as well, and that's part of the reason why you're here tonight. But I believe you're also here for another reason, yes?
Yes.
I believe you're all here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is elegant, yet powerful, beautiful and mysterious. It is a direct connection between its wielder and the Force. And tonight, you will all feel that connection. It has been used by some of our greatest heroes and their darkest foes. And to build one is a lost and ancient art that us gatherers very much intend on keeping alive. And it all starts with one very important thing. It all starts with this, the Kyber crystal. Now the Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It both magnifies and focuses the power of the Force into a blade. And the color of your Kyber crystal will determine the color that your blade will emit. Now us gatherers have managed to find 4 different colors in our travels. We went through a lot to get these. But we'll start with this one right here. The blue Kyber crystal. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. We have the green Kyber crystal. Once held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Luke Skywalker, and even Master Yoda himself. And violet, rare and beautiful, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And last, red, the crystal of power, once held by Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now, Kylo Ren. But enough about that. We're here for you. It's time for you all to choose your Kyber crystal. So I'd like to ask you all to please close your eyes. Go on, close your eyes. I can see you. I'm right here. And concentrate. What color do you see? What color Kyber crystal is calling to you? Clear your mind. And now, builders, open your eyes. Reach out and take your Kyber crystal. Alright, builders, if you haven't already, go ahead and place your kyber crystal in that green boulder in front of you. And now it's time to move on to the hilt. So your hilt is going to be the foundation of your lightsaber. It is also the center of control. And most importantly, it prevents your fingers from being disintegrated. Now I know it looks like we're placing a bunch of junk in front of you, but trust me, it's not. We're going to go over each piece individually in just a moment, once everyone has their answers. I need some too, I guess. Alright, builders, let's explore what's in front of us. That first piece is going to be your chassis. That's where your kyber crystal will be housed. After that, you're going to have your grips, your emitters to go at the top, pommel caps down at the bottom, and then the center you're going to have activation plates to activate your lightsaber, as well as protect your kyber crystal. Now, if you need any help, my fellow gatherers and I are here to assist you. But builders, are you ready to build?
Yes!
Oh, we can do better than that. So are you ready to build?
Yes!
Alright, so let's build. Alright, builders, we're going to be assisting you. So we're going to start with our chassis. Try with the...
Now go ahead and choose your activation plates. Inside your activation plates, you have blue and red tabs.
Go ahead and select our activation plates. Those are going to be in section 5. Now on the inside of your activation plates, there's going to be a little red blue square. You want to make sure you match that square with the square that's on your chassis. So red square on top of red square, and blue square on top of the blue square, and they snap in the plates. Just to make sure not to mix up those sets though, because they won't fit. So now we can go ahead and select our grips. So for your grips, if we have the 4, you want one grip for the top of your plate, one for the bottom. So you just want to make sure that the thicker band right here is going towards the middle of your hilt so it gets screwed onto your activation plate. And it could be any combination of them, and then you want to flip that piece around. Just like that, and then it'll screw.
May I? Thank you so much. This is going to be your activation switch right here. Awesome. Great job, brother.
I wasn't sure to do that one, but this, yeah. We don't need No, we got.
All right, builders. I see some great-looking hilts in front of me, but now it's time for the most dangerous step of our journey. So that's why please take a big step back. Now, my fellow gatherers are installing your hilt stage our crystal stabilization changes, which stabilizes your crystals. Normally, this process is done by a Force user, but us gatherers are not Force sensitive. So we developed this technology that allows us to bypass that. Now, this does take years of training. It should only be done by a trained hand, right, Carlos?
Yes.
Or it could result in another explosion, right, Carlos?
Decorations.
You didn't hear me because of the explosion. Series of shots. But now it's time to build that bond between. What'd you guys do now?
Many parts over now. Joined they are. Yes. Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Wow. Master Yoda. The Force must be strong in this room, builders. And yes, it is time to build that bond between builder and saber. So in just a moment, but not yet, I will ask you all to take a step forward. You'll place your hands on your hilts, and together, we will activate our lightsabers. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and take that step forward. Place a hand on your hilts, take a deep breath, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Now remember, it only takes a spark. Congratulations, builders. Well done. Now please deactivate your lightsabers. Your bond is confirmed. They want to
Complete your lightsaber is. Fight you when it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. The lightsabers you have built are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. But in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsabers, we are pleased to present a saber sheath to you as you depart. And unfortunately, our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's time for you all to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe someday we'll be here telling all of your stories. So we wish you all a safe journey, and as we say here at Black Spire Outpost, till the spire.
Till the spire!